Hi everyone, my name is Michelle Blackwood from Healthier Steps. I am super excited because I have another amazing recipe for you. It's vegan sweet potato salad. It is so creamy, so delicious, a nice burst of sweetness with savory, and it's just so good. It's made with sweet potatoes, cranberries, green onions, vegan mayo, celery, and your seasoning is easy. It's just garlic powder, salt, and dill weed. Super easy, super simple, but this is so addictive. This recipe is just so amazing. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Also, hit on the notification bell so that you can be notified on all our latest recipes. Go ahead now and watch all the amazing benefits of sweet potatoes, and then we'll continue after in making our sweet potato salad. Be right back.
Sweet potato health benefits. Sweet potatoes are a nutrient-dense and tasty root crop. The sweet potato is smooth and delicate enough to be used in a variety of pie dishes, and generally, people consider it to be a treat vegetable. Are one of the finest sources of vitamin A. Because of their naturally orange hue, sweet potatoes are also high in vitamin B5, niacin, riboflavin, thiamine, and carotenoids. Vitamin A insufficiency may be avoided by eating sweet potatoes. Because sweet potatoes contain a high amount of beta-carotene, they are an excellent source of vitamin A in human livers. Beta-carotene is converted to vitamin A, with each molecule of beta-carotene generating 2 molecules of vitamin A. Keeping blood pressure in a healthy range. To sustain healthy cardiovascular health, the American Heart Association recommends that consumers take more potassium-rich foods. A 124 grams portion of mashed potato has 259 milligrams of potassium, which is around 5% of an individual's daily need. Reduced oxidative stress and the risk of cancer. Cell oxidative damage is frequently linked to a higher risk of cancer, which develops when cells divide uncontrolled. Sweet potatoes' powerful antioxidants have been shown in studies to decrease cancer risk. Keeping your eyes healthy. Sweet potatoes are an excellent source of the precursor of vitamin A in the form of beta-carotene. As previously noted, vitamin A is essential for maintaining good eye health. Sweet potatoes can help you cope with stress. Sweet potatoes have high magnesium content, which is an important element for optimal bodily function. One of the most significant magnesium advantages is that it aids in the reduction of tension and anxiety. Sweet potatoes can protect you from ulcers. Sweet potatoes are effective in the healing and maintenance of peptic ulcers in several trials. Another study found that the flour found in the base of sweet potatoes may reduce ethanol-related stomach ulcers in animal studies. Inflammation reduction. An extraction of purple sweet potato color may help lower the risk of inflammation and obesity. A research revealed that using high-dose choline supplementation assisted patients with asthma control inflammation. However, this does not rule out the possibility that sweet potato choline will have the same effect. Sweet potatoes have been shown to increase fertility. Sweet potatoes are rich in vitamin A, making them great for women of reproductive age who want to increase their fertility. Vitamin A has been demonstrated to play an important function in enhancing reproduction success in animal models. Follow us for more.
Guys, wasn't that amazing? All those important nutritional benefits. So, if you didn't love sweet potatoes now you have so many reasons to love it, including this amazing recipe. Once you eat it, you'll be addicted. And I want you to come back and tell me how much you like it. Thanksgiving is coming up. Hope you'll make it for Thanksgiving as an amazing side that the entire family will enjoy. And remember, it's cholesterol free and it's good for you. So let's get started. First, you want to boil your sweet potatoes. So I have 2 potatoes, sweet potatoes. I peel them, then I cut them in cubes. Bite size is good. It's up to you what size you want. And then all you're gonna do is bring your water to a boil and then you boil it. You can either add salt or you can leave the salt out. It's up to you. It still will taste amazing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add my sweet potatoes. That's it. I'm gonna bring it to a boil. Then I'm gonna reduce the heat, let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. I'll be right back. We're back and we've cooked the sweet potatoes, drained them, and I'm just gonna add them to my bowl. Look at that pretty color. And then I'm just gonna add the remaining ingredients. So I'm adding some cranberries for festive season. So pretty, look at that. Cranberries, celery. So pretty. I love my green onions. And you can add more or less with this ingredients. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and just add some dill, onion powder, and salt. Nice. And the final ingredient, I'm gonna go ahead and add the mayo. You could have added the seasoning directly in the mayo first, whip it up so it spreads more evenly, or you can just go ahead and mix it up. I'm just adding my vegan mayo. And then I'm gonna gently stir and just make this creamy. Spread it all over. You want to be gentle as can be. And there it is. Okay, so now I'm going to serve it. Do a taste test. Just going to serve it. I'll taste some. Here it is. So creamy, so colorful. Lots of bursting flavors going on. There, the cranberries, the burst of tartness with sweetness, with the potatoes. So good, the creamy vegan mayo. This is so festive, so pretty. A dish that needs to be included for your holiday recipes this Thanksgiving. So addictive. I hope you try it, and when you do, please come back and let me know how you enjoy it. So good. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Remember to hit on the notification bell so that you can be notified on all my latest recipes. See you on the next video. So good. So good.